Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to craft weapons in State of Decay 2, your survival guide. So here I'm going to teach you how to craft your weapons in State of Decay 2. So the forged heart of melee weapon crafting. So the forge right here unlocks the forge requires a large outdoor slot in your base. This foundation facility is essential for advanced crafting. Resource investment requires 2 cases of chemicals, 8 materials, and 4 floor labors unit to establish this crucial facility. Knowledge is power. You'll need survivor with knowledge of craftsmanship to unlock its full potential. And crafting arsenal enable crafting of robust melee weapons like the Raybal club, mower, blade, sword, and other metalworks creation. Gathering essential crafting materials, core resource, scrap metal, abundant use in the most recipes, chemical, rare, critical for advanced items, parts, versatile, salvage from broken items of or converted, labor, your survivor skills, fuel productions, prioritize scavenging for chemical and consider base upgrades to maintain a steady supply. The workshop or forge can convert raw materials into usable parts. And crafting melee weapons basics to masterwork. Basic weapons rebar club, simple effective early game, mower blade sword. Improved game requires knowledge of craftsmanship. These weapons form the backbone of early defense against the horde. And masterwork weapons, transmission mace, high impact stunning power, crow's beak, precising damage, fast attack, razor edge, machete, superior damage and durability. Unlock with knowledge of metalwork. This significantly enhance combat effectiveness. Weapons upgrade in mods. So boost your arsenal, muzzle mods, enhance range weapon with superior suppressor for stealth, breaks for recoil control, or chokes for spreads. Strategic customization mods require specific parts. Swap them out to adapt to different combat scenarios and personal playstyle. The indispensable workshop. Beyond crafting, your workshop is vital for weapon repair, ammunition productions, and general upgrades. And here, repairing and maintaining weapons, regular repairs, weapon degrade with sustained use. Visit workshop frequently to prevent them from breaking mid-fight. Salvage for parts, even broken weapons have value. Salvage them to recover parts, fueling your crafting efforts. Emergency backups always carry close quarter weapons like knives. They don't break and can save you in a tough, tight, and situation. So master the craft, survive the apocalypse. So fortify your base and construct and upgrade your forge and workshop facilities early to unlock critical crafting capabilities. Resource prioritization focus on scavenging efforts on acquiring chemical materials and parts. They are the lifeblood of your arsenal. Skill development invest in survivors with crafting skills to unlock access to powerful high-tier weapons, strategic armament, craft intelligently, upgrade wisely, and ensure community is always well armed for the relentless zombie hordes. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions about State of Decay and what to craft, type it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.